Welcome back, friends, to another hair tutorial, and this time I am doing a dye job. I had woke up this morning and my horoscope said, sis, it's a good day to color your hair. So I said, say no more, say less. So I picked up a box from my Sally Beauty, a color kit, and I decided to get to it with dyeing my hair back to black. So let's go ahead and jump straight into the tutorial. So once I have completed my new hair color, as you can see, I'm looking fabulous. I am still getting adjusted to it because black is usually not a color that I go for. I love me some colored hair. I love doing well back there. If you have been watching and tuning into my videos of me literally talking myself out of cutting my hair and doing all kind of other things that have nothing to do with keeping the healthy hair journey so we can wear our box braids this summer, I appreciate you, sis, for joining us. Please hold on and pray for me. Continue to give me the strength to not cut this mess the hell back off. Because my gosh, it is just so easy to just take some scissors, a razor, or just go to the barber shop and be like, the hell with all of this and just start from anew. But I'm doing good. I think I'm doing really good. It's been 9 months. No, it hasn't. It's been 6 months since my last like fade waves, cut, edge it up, you know,